What's going on, team? Welcome back. It is the 4th of June. We're going to look at May's dividends for this month or last month. But before we get into the video, if you do enjoy coffee, then please jump over to my coffee brand, so Commando Dagger Coffee. The link will be in the description box below. So just go click on that if you do enjoy some coffee and want to support me. We also do have some t-shirts, so if you want to buy a t-shirt, then again, please jump over and buy some coffee. But let's just get straight into the portfolio. So my portfolio is currently down £35, so I think it was down £70, maybe just over £70 last month. In April's update, so slowly climbing up there. So we're going to look at my individual stocks in this video. I do have two pies, which I'm currently running, which is the almost daily dividend pie, where I'm aiming to get this up to £100,000 by just using the money I earn from social media, which that is a separate video that I post on the channel. So if you do want to go watch them, then go check them out. I've currently got £1.79 sat in there waiting to invest. Unfortunately, it only invests when there's £50 cash in there, because there's 50 companies. It's basically £1 per company is the minimum we can invest, so that's why that's there. And also my other pie is I'm investing £1 a day for 1 year, so pretty much £5 a week, so basically £1 Monday to Friday, and I'm investing that into Main Street Capital. And again, just doing this as a challenge, basically like a daily investment, and just see how that affects it. And also with monthly paying dividends via a REIT. Hopefully this grows pretty nice. As you can see, I've only just started investing in this with £20, so that is 4 weeks into this, so 1 month. Already currently up 32 pence on this, so it's looking quite nice. But we're going to look at my individual stocks right here. So obviously all these are at £20 are basically in the almost daily dividends pie. So this is one of my individual shares, Ultra. I've got 30 shares of Ultra, which is just over £1,000. That's currently up £16, so 1.5%. That was a lot higher a couple of weeks back. That was close to £50. So that is one of my main ones. Bank of America, I've only got £100 sat in them. I bought them when they were low, and there's a massive banking crisis in America, and everyone was transferring to Bank of America. So I bought that when they were low. That's currently up 2%, but that I'm just going to leave alone pretty much for now. BHP Group is another one. Like I said, just £100 sat in that. Again, that's just something I'm sat on and see how that grows over time. Coca-Cola is another slow one. So this one I've got in a pie with auto invest turned on. So with that, 2 shares. I do buy it when it's at a low. But with that, I'm just looking to slowly grow that over time, because that is a solid company. That's currently down 0.15%, so not too bad really. Legal & General, £320. That is a total of 134 shares. That is currently down 2.44%, so £8. With that one, I basically pumped in a load of money, got up to 100 shares, and I've left that alone now. And again, that's just basically got auto invest turned on, so that's just slowly trickling over by itself. Main Street Capital, again, like I said, that is in a pie, so I'm investing £5 a week into that, so that will become a nice juicy one soon. Microsoft is another solid company that I've slowly started adding money into. That's 2 shares of that, and that's currently up 15%, so just under £100 profit so far with Microsoft. Again, that is in a pie by itself with auto invest turned on, so hopefully I'll just start seeing that growing in the background. But again, that's something I will be putting more money into because that is a solid company. Reality Income, everyone's favourite, a monthly paying dividends. Got over £1,000 in that with just shy of 30 shares. That's currently down £75. I do invest into that weekly, so I put £30 a week into my portfolio. £5 goes into the Main Street Capital for my £5 a day, and then the other 25 I normally just chuck, depending on how the stocks are doing. I'll normally just chuck it all onto Reality Income to build this up, or I'll put it into Microsoft, Coca-Cola, or another one I invest into is my ETF, which is the FTSE All World High Dividend Yield. As you can see there, that's my biggest one with over £2,000 in that. Currently down £6, so basically 0.28%. I've got a nice 46 shares in that. Goals to get that up to 100 shares if I can. And then basically I want the dividends to start buying shares for me. So every time it pays me dividends, it buys me one full share. That's the goal with my solid ones. So something like Vanguard, Coca-Cola, Microsoft, those ones I want to start basically paying for themselves. And in the long term, that basically, like I said, starts paying for itself, starts doubling, tripling, and then I'm just earning money for fun. Instead of just doing all the maths, I've got a spreadsheet at the moment. So as you can see here, just on Google Docs, I started investing the start of the year. So I put £1,000 into my portfolio, started off with £1,000. You can go back on my channel and see that video, see where I invested that money. But pretty much I opened up the almost daily dividends pie, and then £500 I separated into individual stocks. That's how I started. So go check out that video. And then February I only earned 60p, 60 pence, so not so much. March £2.02, so slowly growing. April was a big one because that's my third month, of course. So every 3 months I will have a nice chunk coming in. May, £1.53. So basically that one there, I'm going to compare to that one. So every 3 months I'm going to compare it. So pretty much almost doubled that money there. So that one, so June there, I'm hoping to get £4 maybe. And then that £5 will go there, will be £10. If I can keep that up and then it just keeps doubling every single time, then I think we'll be in a good spot. But May, this is just the money I earned from my individual stocks and not all my stocks. So if I go back into my trading 212, head over to history, go on to my dividends, and you can see here, so June I've already got payments here. All these are from my daily dividends. As you can see, they're all random companies, so I've already got a lot of money from my daily dividends. Again, May, daily dividends, almost daily dividends, almost daily dividends, almost daily dividends, daily dividends. So you can see daily dividends are always paying out, and that's where that almost daily dividend name comes from. It pretty much almost pays you every single day there. Reality Income, that's an individual one, so that's £1.50 there. Main Street Capital, again, that's just in a pie, so a separate challenge. All these are daily dividends, daily dividends, daily dividends. So you can see here, they're all pretty much daily dividends. So I didn't earn that much from individual stocks. I will next month, but you can see how that daily dividend pie is a beauty, and it's definitely one that I recommend you invest into. Because yeah, as you can see, there's a nice chunky dividends coming into here. Obviously, the more I invest into daily dividends pie, the bigger these dividends are going to get, and then keep on paying me out. So pretty much, if I can get all these companies paying me £1 every month, I'm going to be investing that basically £50 getting reinvested every month, basically free of charge from the daily dividends pie. So that's definitely one to get into. You can see the amount of dividends I get from that, and you can see my portfolio is just constantly growing, growing, growing. Not many dips right there. And you can see here, these are all the companies I've got Auto Invest turned on to. So Ultra, Auto Invest, Coca-Cola, Auto Invest, the Vanguard or the FTSE all World High Dividend, that's got that turned on. That's my Main Street Challenge. Microsoft Auto Invest and Reality Income Auto Invest. So these are the ones I've got Drip turned on, and then Main Street and Almost Daily Dividends is my 2 challenges I'm running this year on this challenge. So again, thanks for watching. If you did enjoy this video, please hit that thumbs up button. It means a lot. I am on the road to get 100,000, I wish, 1,000 subscribers. We're almost there. We're over the halfway mark now. So let's get to 1,000 subscribers as quick as possible.